Welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about gingival infection. Gingival infection can be most common in highly calculated deposits, and or tartar or food impacted patients will have this gingival infections very frequently. Means the gingiva from the gingival crevices there will be profuse blood circulation, bleeding, and even pus discharge. In chronic patients there will be purulent exudate from the gingival crevices, and there will be foul smell, and there will be foul smell from the oral cavity of a patient. So these gingival infections can be fully cured by this master in periodontal surgeon, MDS, in periodontal surgeon, minimally invasive surgeon can cure this gingival infections. Some people will have periodontal pockets because they can't chew the hard consistency food, even medium consistency food, or soft consistency food, or even extra soft consistency food also, because of chronic severity of periodontal infection will leads to chronic suppurative periodontitis. So the mobility of teeth, grade 1 mobility, grade 2 mobility, and grade 3 mobility. So the teeth, the 32 teeth become slight mobility according to the grade, because the infection also spread into the gum-phosis area. Even it will spread into towards apices of root. So there will be granulation tissue at the there will be growth of granulation tissue at the apices of root, and there will be cystic lesions in mandibular jaw or maxillary jaw, or there will be any osteolysis in the mandibular and maxillary area. So even the patient can't grind the soft consistency, hard consistency, extra hard consistency, and even medium consistency food. So the patient sometimes in grade 3 mobility, by constant movement of tongue, constant highly muscular organ in a human body is human tongue. So so many times the movement of a tongue in a day is many times, because some people will give speech, some people will give some presentation, some people will grind 24 hours by taking food, because of voracious eaters will have so much of taking food many times, so that the tongue also, the movement will be in aggressive mode. And some people will give speech, politicians use to give speech much time, so that the tongue will be highly muscular, and the tongue will push the forward force of tongue will keep the teeth in a U shape, because of the labial muscles, muscular labial muscles, upper labial muscles, and lower labial muscles, and buccal muscles, and this highly muscular tongue will place the all the 32 teeth in a U-shape arch or parabola shape arch, so that the grinding will be happen. So it will push the teeth in between the grinding teeth, in between the molars, in between the premolars, and in between the left side molars, and right side molars, and right side maxillary teeth, and left side maxillary teeth, so that the grinding will happen. So this highly muscular tongue, because of in severe chronic suppurative periodontitis, there will be chances of mobility, more mobility of anterior teeth, sometimes dislodged in night time and get struck in trachea also, because like ripened fruit will dislodge from the branches of tree, like that from the gingival tissue, because of highly muscular movement of tongue in the night time. If the patient will have snoring problem, there will be continuous forward and backward movement of this highly muscular tongue will detach the grade 3 mobility teeth, if it is canine or incisors or lateral incisors of left or right side. So it will dislodge and it will obstruct into this trachea also, nasopharyngeal. It will escape from a nasopharyngeal junction and it will get obstructed in tracheal region, and asphyxia. There will be mortality of patients sometimes, because there will be it may go into in bronchial, main bronchus and bronchial tree also. So in that case, so the chronic periodontal, the suppurative periodontitis patients should visit the periodontal specialist, MDS, because there will be chances of slippage of these teeth into intestine or in air passage, so that there will be so many cases we have studied because of obstruction of this tracheal tree or bronchial tree will influence this respiratory arrest also. So this periodontal infections can be cured by maintaining oral prophylaxis in healthy conditions, like every regular every month scaling, and every month this removal of this tartar or calculus or food impactions or fibrous food in between the interdental spaces will be removed by this highly sophisticated instrumentation, that cavitron. Physical vibrations of particles of matter will improve your oral cavity in a healthy condition, oxygenated condition and a rejuvenated condition, and more of a profuse blood circulation to gingival tissue will attach this Gomphosis family with the crown portion of teeth and the root portion of teeth by Gomphosis. So sometimes according to severity of this chronic suppurative periodontitis, the dentist, the specialized periodontist MDS will do flap surgery, because the debris and the gingival pockets and should excavate with excavator, because the dental instruments will be very sensitive, and the curates will fully sterilized up to 120 degrees, more than 120 to 150 degrees also in autoclave, and the sterilized equipment will use in this in this flap surgeries, and the periodontist can remove this excavation of this periodontal pockets or purulent exudate throughout the mandibular and maxillary arch, on buccal side, labial side, lingual side, palatal side and occlusal side, and all the gingival tissue attachment area he will clean and he will remove tartar, calculus and debris and food impacted fibrous food from vegetable cuttings and just like drumsticks, fibers will enter in between the interdental spaces and the patient will have so much of inconvenience in the inconvenience in the oral cavity. So the tongue will always probe into that area. Something is struck inside, something is impacted inside, something is some unwanted food impacted in between the molars. Like that, the tongue will go inside and probe inside. So the periodontist, if the oral cavity is in healthy and energetic and rejuvenated and a fully oxygenated condition, the patient never nervovascular emergencies and even the patient can escape the digestive problems also. So the oral cavity is the exit entry and entry for all the food stuff into stomach. So we have to keep our oral cavity in aseptic precautions. We have to keep our oral cavity in healthy condition and rejuvenated condition. In oral prophylaxis should be maintained neat, clean, healthy and rejuvenated condition and pinkish condition and oxygenated condition, so that we can escape so many bacterial infections, throat, upper respiratory tract infections, even COVID also can be, the viral infections also can be minimized by keeping our oral cavity in healthy conditions, by maintaining oral prophylaxis, by repeated visits at periodontist, MDS, the minimally invasive surgeon for regarding oral operations, and so the healthy intake of if the oral cavity is in a deteriorative condition, if you take good food or nutritive food, it is of no use. If the oral cavity is in a healthy and rejuvenated and oxygenated and fully hygienic condition, the food also will ingest, assimilate, and your metabolism will be good, and you don't have any vitamin deficiency or nutritional deficiencies or minerals and metals also. So the pinkish gingival tissue, sometimes the epileptic patients, means hemiplegia or paraplegia or psychic patients, anti-convulsive drugs or anti-convulsive drugs or antidepressant drugs will increase the gingival tissue proliferation in oral cavity. In chronic convulsive patients or epileptic patients or psychic patients, or they will the 32 teeth will be covered like a berry shape, and there won't be any visibility of 32 teeth. So the periodontal specialist, surgical periodontist will do surgery, because the excess growth of gingival tissue, he will give incision, and he will do flap surgery, and he will remove the excess proliferation and hypertrophy of this gingival tissue of this maxillary jaw and mandibular jaw. So like that, the gingival condition has to be maintained in neat and clean and without any foul smell, and with good oxygenated oxygenated living, and with profuse intake of good oxygenated air and rejuvenated gingival tissue. So this chronic suppurative periodontitis, every patient should visit monthly 3 times, or sometimes according to severity every week. The patient should visit the specialist periodontist, so that all the problems can be solved. Because of this highly chronicity of periodontal infection, the gastric problems, it will aggravate because of engulfing this bleeding exudation and pus discharge from chronic periodontal condition. The patient will have kidney problems, liver problems, and gastrointestinal problems, and even this rheumatic fever also, because of this upper respiratory chronic cough will aggravate this rheumatic fever. In rheumatic fever, and it will leads to this mitral stenosis and aortic stenosis and aortic regurgitation and mitral regurgitation. Like that, so many cardiac problems may most common in chronic suppurative periodontal patients. So the oral hygiene has to be maintained by goggling these mouthwashes, Colgate, Listerine, Cavison, or Hexidine, or Betadine, with perfect dilutions, because a highly concentrated mouthwashes will warn off the oral tissue, because oral tissue is very sensitive, smooth, and very with the little concentration also, the layer of this palatal tissue and buccal tissue will worn off. If you take highly tempered, hot soups, the oral tissue will worn off in the next day, because high temperature, because of high sensitive the squamous mucosa, and the oral mucosa will worn off because of high temperature. Steamed food should avoid, because the enamel and dental layer will be affected if you take too much cold, too much frozen items, or too much hot liquids or solids. The enamel will be worn off. So there will be severe sensitivity of teeth will occur. So the periodontist can keep your gingival tissue in pinkish and healthy condition and rejuvenated condition, and profuse blood circulation will enhance and aggravate the joint between the tooth surface or tooth surface to the gum tissue, that is gum fosses. The joint will be the joint between the tooth and the gum tissue will be improved by this scaling process, and periodontal pocket excavation, and periodontal flap surgeries, and other special surgical procedures. Thank you so much for watching GRTV, and Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Please press bell button so that every update from JRTV will be updated to you. Please comment on uploading videos so that your comments are our best stimulations. Your comments are our best energizers. Your comments are our best extra added backbone to JRTV channel. Your comments are our extra added supporting words to JRTV channel. Please share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle. Please share it in your big student circle. Please share it in your big international clientele circle so that every update from JRTV will be updated to them. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Signing off.